Okay. So last time we had solved a few problems from binomial theorem, and I had asked you to look at the other problems, but I have not heard from anybody. I hope you all tried these problems, whether you succeeded or not. You should have definitely tried, each one of you, right? Did you try?
Sir, I tried, sir, but I didn't got answers, sir.
Okay. And what about Apsana and Murugan? Did you try? No, Apsana. Murugan, were you there in the last class? I remember Apsana. I think Apsana was there. Murugan, were you there in the last class? Murugan Shanmugam? Fine. Okay. So, see, idhula romba mukkiyam, like I said, no, like Sundaresan, you have tried, so that is good. Okay. So that is very important, But when you are getting stuck, you can always go back to, your book, some examples, my notes, all of those. Okay. And with that, you should be able to solve. Okay. Let's anyway. This time we will go through these problems. So problem is the first expansion is ax square plus 1 by 2bx whole to the power of 11. Okay. So for this, what is your t r plus 1? Equal to n c r. I'm writing the values straight away. Okay. Into a power. A is your ax square. That's the first term. A power n minus r. And b power r. Is that right? A power n minus r into b power r. So b, which is 1 by 2bx, I have written as 2bx whole to the power of minus 1. Okay, this is not mandatory that you should write like this, but whatever is comfortable to you, you can do. Okay. So 11 CR. So now then I write the terms of a, a, b, and x separately. Okay, so a to the power of 11 minus r, x square to the power of ஒரு simplification நான் straight away மென்டலா போட்டுக்கிறேன். ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் 2b to the power of minus 1 minus r. X to the power of minus r. So I have separated out the terms that contain x and that do not contain x. அதான் பண்ணிருக்கேன் நான் இதுல. (11CR) a power 11 minus r into 2b to the power of minus r எடுத்தாச்சு. இப்போ எக்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம ஒன்னா போட்டுடுவோம். 22 minus 2r minus r. So coefficient of x power 7. So இதுல coefficient of x power 7 என்ன வரும்? What is the value of r for which the power will be 7? So that means 22 minus 3r equal to 7. So this is your 22 minus 3r. 22 minus 2r minus r, I have written as 22 minus 3r. I am equating it to 7. So that means 3r equal to
5. R equal to 15, sir. R equal to 5.
So you get r equal to 5. So for r equal to 5, that means r plus 1th term, yeah, 6th term. And what is that 6th term now? இங்க இடத்துல இருந்து நம்ம எழுதிக்கலாம். இங்க தான நம்ம சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணிருக்கோம். 11c5 11cr a to the power of 11 minus r and 2b to the power of minus r. Maybe we can simplify this a little bit. 11c5 a to the power of 6 by 2 to the power of 5 b to the power of 5. 11c5 into 1 by 32 into a to the power of 6 by b to the power of 5. Just I am simplifying, nothing else. Okay. Now let's look at the second equation. The second equation is x power minus 7, coefficient of x power minus 7 in x plus 1 by 3bx square whole to the power of 11. X plus 1 by 3bx square. Okay, so what is the t r plus 1 for this? 11cr x to the power of n minus r into 3bx square to the power of minus r. Again, I separate out the terms that contain x and that do not contain x. Okay. Okay. So now here it is a coefficient of x power minus 7. Yeah. So that means 11, I put 11 minus 3r equal to minus 7 now. I hope you are all able to hear me and see my screen, right? All of you? Because I'm getting some messages. I think it is giving some wrong messages and confusing me. Okay. So this means 3r equal to 18 or r equal to 6. Now your T7 is in this expansion is going to have the x power minus 7. R equal to 6 or T7 equal to 11c6 x to the power of 11 minus 6. Into 1 by 3 power 6 b power 6. So there is no a here, right? Yeah. Okay. So என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? This coefficient is equal to this coefficient. So you equate the two. 11C5 into 1 by 32 a power 6 by b power 5. Equal to 11C6 into 1 by 3 power 6 b power 6.
Sir, 11C5 equal to 11C6.
Correct. That is the next step. Okay. Since 11C5 equal to 11C6, so this gets cancelled out. This we saw last week itself, how that 11C NCR is equal to NC n minus R. So either we can put it back as 2 power 5. Okay. So this is 1 by 2 power 5 into a power 6 by b power 5 equal to 1 by 3 power 6 into 1 by b power 6. This is what you are getting. So in options என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? a power 6 b equal to இல்லனா a b power 6 எது மாதிரி வருது இது?
Option A, sir.
Yeah. So a b எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம separate we'll put them all together. Okay. So let's bring this b power 6 over here. A power 6 by b power 5 into இந்த b power 6 இங்க கீழே இருக்கிறது மேல வந்துடுது, b power 6 ன்னு வந்துரும் இங்க, equal to இந்த 2 power 5 இங்க போயிடும் by 3 power 6. So இது கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். a power 6 b. This is what you are getting, right? A power 6 into b equal to 2 power 5 by 3 power 6. கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா அந்த ஆப்ஷன்? a power 6 into b equal to 2 power 5 by 3 power 6. So option A, right? 2 power 5 by 3 power 6. Option A. So what did you find it difficult in this problem? Yeah. So I see that Harish and Santana Mariraj have joined later. So Harish and Santana Mariraj, நீங்க போட்டீங்களா இந்த problem? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. What about Harish?
நோ சார். சார் நான் பாதி போட்டேன் சார், அதுக்கப்புறம் பாதியில ஸ்டக் ஆயிருச்சு சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே
சார் நான் இந்த சம்ல 1/2 bxக்கு பதிலா half bxன்னு எடுத்துட்டேன் சார்.
Okay, okay, some minor mistakes. Basically, you all know it, just some minor mistakes, right? Okay, so if you try a little harder, you will definitely get it, right? Okay, let's go to the next problem. Okay, so it is very similar. It is easier actually. Coefficient independent of x in the expansion of 3x square minus 1 by 2x power 5. I will write it. 3x square minus 1 by 2x power 5 whole to the power of 7. So apply the formula for tr plus 1 and find out the coefficient of x power 7. So independent நீங்க கொஞ்சம் பண்ணுங்க. I will also do, so you also do. Let's see. நீங்க இண்டிபெண்டண்டா பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க. Okay, so did you all get up to this? I hope so. Now, so it's a simplification of the tr plus 1, which is ncr into a power n minus r b power r. So you equate the power to 0 and you get the value of r. Because
True, sir.
yeah, they are given that it's an independent term independent of x அப்படின்னா x power 0. That means r equal to 2. 7 r equal to 14, r equal to 2. So that means, so now what is the question? R equal to 2. Then what is the coefficient value? அதான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். The coefficient is seven CR 3 power 7 minus R minus 1 to the power of R 2 power minus R. This is what you have to simplify. Okay. So what is 7C2?
21, sir.
21. 3 power 5 minus 1 square is plus 1. So 2 power minus 2, 1 by 2 power 2. So you're getting in some fraction. So which tallies because the answers are all in fraction. So what is 21 into 340, 243? 21 3s are 63, 6, 84 plus 690, 9, 51. So is this option given? 5103 by 4. That's all. Okay, option 1. Okay, so I am doing these problems, but I am going to give more problems. Okay, at the end of the class, I will send you more problems for you to practice. So it's a simple. All problems binomial theorem, they are very monotonous, very easy, and they are giving a couple of problems like this in every question paper. So check. Let's go to this problem. If the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of n are in the ratio 1:5:20, then the coefficient of the fourth term of the expansion. So what is the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n? One plus, it's a very simple expansion.
nx plus
nc1 into 1 power n minus 1 into x power 1, x power r. அதே மாதிரி போயிட்டு இருக்கும். Somehow it's giving me some error. I do not know why. So you see that in this case tr plus 1 equal to ncr x power r. Now it's given that any 3 terms, okay, are in the ratio 1:5:20, any 3 consecutive terms. Okay, so we can take the consecutive terms as ncr minus 1 into x power r minus 1, ncr x power r, nc r plus 1 x power r plus 1. You can take it in any way. You can take it as r plus 1 and r plus 2 also. This will be a little convenience. Usually if 3 consecutive terms, you take it as r minus 1, r and r plus 1, it will be a little easier, and that is why I take like this. Okay, but you can do it in any other way also. Any other 3 consecutive numbers also will give the same result, right? So now you have to, it is given that this is a coefficient, only the coefficient, right? This by this is given as 1/5, and again ncr by ncr plus 1 is given as 5/20. So now you write down the formulas for NCR, NCR minus 1, etc. So this is n factorial by n minus r plus 1, right? Factorial into r minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial by n factorial. That means this n factorial, but I will write it step by step. N factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial by n factorial. See, if you come across an equation like this, an expression like this, so you have to see this n minus r factorial, n minus r plus 1 factorial. These two will get cancelled out because this has got terms up to n minus r, and this is the only having one more term, which is n minus r plus 1. So you can cut it and put it as n minus r plus 1. Same way, this is r minus 1 and r. So you cut it out and write r. So what do you get? You see that mostly it is cancelled out, and you get n r by n minus r plus 1. N minus 6r equal to minus 1. This is your first equation. Similarly, you write the other expression, you will same way you will get another equation in n and r, and then you have to solve for n and r. So what is the next one? NCR by NCR plus 1. N fact CR by NC R plus 1 equal to 5 by 20. So you write in the same way. Okay. N factorial by n minus r. So either I will straight away I will write it in the inverse. So n factorial here, and here it is going to be r plus n minus r plus 1, which is n minus r minus 1. So I cut out this n factorial. So I cut this r and r plus 1 factorial. So you get r plus 1 here. Similarly, you cancel n minus r minus 1 and n minus r factorials. What remains is n minus r. So your equation is now r plus 1 divided by n minus r equal to 1 by 4. N minus 5r equal to 4. This is your equation 2. So what was the first equation? N minus 6r equal to minus 1 and n minus 5r equal to 4. So you can simply subtract one from the other. You get r equal to n minus 5r minus n minus 6r. Equal to minus 6 தானே 4 minus minus 1. Sorry. So n will get cancelled. Minus 5r plus 6r. So this is r. 5. 4 minus minus 1. So r equal to 5. Okay. So if r equal to 5, you can immediately determine n. N equal to, from this you see 5r plus 4. So r equal to 5, n equal to 29. So what is the question now? Coefficient of the fourth term. So what is coefficient of the fourth term? Fourth term is r plus 1 is 4, which is r equal to 3. That means fourth term is 29 C 3. Sorry, fifth r equal to 5. So 1 minute, r plus 1. T r plus 1 equal to NC. We've written it down, right? NCR into 4R. Since we got r equal to 5, right? So that means T6 is what we need. So since n is given as 29, so we need 29 C5. Coefficient of T6 is NC5. So 29 C5. So we have to calculate this 29 C5 now. So various values are given. So let's calculate 29 C5. Okay, so I made a mistake. They are asking for the coefficient of the fourth term, right? So we need the coefficient of the fourth term. So r equal to 4. Okay. R plus 1 equal to 4. So T4 equal to 29C3. Okay. So what is 29C3? Six. So it is 29 into 14 into 9. So 29 into 14 and 26 1 and 40. Okay, so this is your answer 3654. Good given. Is that clear to everybody? Yeah, okay.
இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப டஃப்பா இருக்கிற மாதிரி எனக்கு தோணுது. இந்த ஃபைண்டிங் த கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் பவர் 7ஓ 9ஓ கேக்குறாங்க இல்லையா?
எஸ்.
அது கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப டஃப்பா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. குழந்தைகளா உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் புரியுதா? ஏன்னா எனக்கு புரியல, ஃப்ராங்க்லி ஸ்பீக்கிங். எனக்கு புரியாட்டி பரவாயில்ல, பட் உங்களுக்கு புரியலன்னா நான் ராதாவை மறுபடியும் நான் ரிப்பீட் பண்ண சொல்றேன். எப்படி இருக்கு ஹரிஷ்? புரியுதுங்களா கண்ணா? புரியலன்னா யூ
புரியுதுங்க சார்.
புரிஞ்சுதா? ஓகே, தென் இட் இஸ் ஓகே. முருகன் சொல்லுங்க, யார் புரியலனாலும் சொல்லுங்க. ஏன்னா எனக்கு அது ரொம்ப டஃப் ராஜா. மேபி ஐ ஹவ் நாட் லிசன் டு இட் ப்ராப்பர்லி. ஜஸ்ட் ஜஸ்ட் a small interruption, வேற ஒண்ணு இல்ல. கேரி ஆன் ராதா.
What about Sundaresan, Santana Mariraj?
சார் புரியுது சார்.
Okay. Santana Mariraj?
Sir, புரியுது சார்.
Okay. And so everybody understands. Murugan, Akhil?
அகில் இப்ப வந்தாரு. அவருக்கு மேபி அவருக்கு அந்த ப்ராப்ளமே தெரியாம இருக்கலாம். பட் எல்லாரும் ஒரு 5 மினிட்ஸ்க்குள்ள வந்துருங்க, அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ ராதா.
Yeah. Murugan, you understand. Good. So கொஞ்சம் like Keshav said, it's கொஞ்சம் complex-ஆ இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு, because exponents are involved and you simplify and some tedious calculations are involved. So IIT JEE போது கொஞ்சமாச்சும் இந்த மாதிரி they won't give very easy problems, so you have to do some work. So and you have to do it correctly. So that is all you have to do. You apply your mind and apply the known formulas, so you will get it. Okay. Sure. So absolute difference of the coefficient of x power 7 and x power 9 in the expansion of 2x plus 1 by 2x whole to the power of 11. So here again tr plus 1, same way you please write tr plus 1 and write down the coefficients of x power 7 and x power 9 and find out the absolute difference between the two. Okay. So I will also do, I request you also to do tr plus 1 is ncr So you get TR plus 1 is 11CR 2 power 11 minus 2R x power 11 minus 2R. So this is what you have to first write down, TR plus 1. Now you equate, what is coefficient of 7? Coefficient of x power 7. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? So you equate this 11 minus 2R, right? And determine R. And what is the coefficient? Yeah. 11CR 2 power 11 minus 2R, which is 2 power 7. 11C2 nu போடலாம். 11C2 2 power 7. So this is your coefficient of x power 7. Same way you write coefficient of x power 9. So here now 11 minus 2R equal to 9. That means R equal to 1. So the required coefficient is 11C1 into, one minute, I'm getting irritated. Two power R, yeah. Power R. So here in this first step, I think I made a mistake. 11CR into x power 11 minus 2R. So here 11CR so when R equal to 1, 11 minus 2 into 1, 11 minus 2, 2 power 9. So what is the absolute difference?
Sir, 11 into 2 power 7.
Yeah, 2 power 7 minus 11 into 2 power 9. Okay. So we can see that they given some options in terms of 2 power 7 and all, right? So you can take on 2 power 7 out. இது வந்து 11C2 minus 11 into 2 square னு வரும். (11C2) is 11 into 10 by 2, which is
55, sir.
11 into 4 is 44. So you get 11 into 2 power 7. So is there such an option? It is there, option 2, 11 into 2 power 7. Okay. கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா போடணும், அவ்வளவுதான். Okay. I hope you all followed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the problem, கொஞ்சம் tough. So, because this is not a binomial theorem, binomial expansion கிடையாது. it's a little more, there are three terms here, like 1 minus 2x plus x cube whole to the power of 10 அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. இதுக்கு வந்து, so we need to know the expansion of a plus b plus c whole to the power of n. இந்த எக்ஸ்பான்ஷன் நம்ம எப்படி வரும் அப்படின்னா, in every term there is going to be a combination of a, b and c. Okay, there may be 1a, 2b and remaining c, or 2a, 1b and remaining c. So total should be equal to n. Okay, so let us say they are a power x, b power y, c power z, where x, y, z are three integers, so that x plus y plus z will add up to this n. So it is going to have terms like this: a power x, b power y, c power z, where x plus y plus z is equal to n. So this we can easily see through common sense. We can see, right? Every term is going to have some a, some b's and some c's. Okay, so that means a power x, b power y, c power z. But total should, all the terms will have total of x plus y plus z should add up to 11. So that is how the terms are going to be. But next we can use our knowledge of permutations, okay, to see so how many permutations are going to be, since there are x plus y plus z is appearing totally n times. Okay, so there are totally n places no vechikalam number. Okay, so where we are going to place some x's, some y's and some z. Okay, so the total combinations here, there are a is appearing x times, b is appearing y times, c is appearing z times. So idoda permutation namakku theriyum. Okay, the permutation for will be, so n factorial divided by, we know this formula, right? So a is appearing x times, b is appearing y times, c is appearing z times, so total is n. So that means the number of permutations is n factorial by x factorial, y factorial, z factorial. So that means this, the a plus b plus c whole to the power of n or expansion is going to be like this: t x y z is equal to n factorial by x factorial, y factorial, z factorial into a to the power of x, p to the power of y, c to the power of z. So this we can derive from our knowledge of permutations and combinations. So இப்போ என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னு பார்ப்போம். So here 1 minus 2x plus x cube, இதுவரையிலும் புரிஞ்சதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Did you have any this expansion t x y z?
Sir, t x y z not term, sir.
ஆமா, instead of writing t1 t2 t3, I am writing t x y z, which means the term that contains a to the power of x, b to the power of y and c to the power of z. So that term, okay, that coefficient of that term is n factorial by x factorial, y factorial, z factorial. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so everybody followed it. This is coming from our permutation knowledge. Okay, so இப்போ இங்க என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, இதுல நம்ம சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணுவோம். So what is n here? Ten, right?
Sir.
Okay. So we don't know x, y, z. So it's not, actually it is valid for all combinations x, y, z. So the general term. So 10 factorial by x factorial, y factorial, z factorial into. So what is a now? A we can write. A is 1.
1, sir.
1 to the power of x. And what is b?
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x. Okay. So I want to slightly write it differently. T இப்போ இங்கே x ஓட x வந்து கன்ஃபியூசிங்கா இருக்கும். So let us write it as T PQR. Okay. Into 1 power p minus 2x to the power of q and what is the value of c here? X cube.
Cube.
So the general term T PQR is going to be 10 factorial by p factorial q factorial r factorial into 1 to the power of p minus 2 to the power of q x to the power of q x to the power of 3r. Okay. So now we want to find the coefficient of x power 7, right? So x power 7 abdina. So here x power q plus 3r is equal to 7. Okay. So we have to find out those coefficients for which q plus 3r is equal to 7. So we also know that p plus q plus r equal to 10. P plus q plus r equal to 10, q plus 3r equal to 7. So since p, q are all they are all integers, there are only very few such combinations. Okay. For example, r can be, you put r equal to 1, q equal to 7 minus 3, 4, and p equal to 5. Okay. So when p equal to 5, q equal to 4, and r equal to 1, the coefficient of x is going to be 7, x power 7 or power. So that's what you are getting from this equation. Now you try r equal to 2. Q equal to 7 minus 6, 1, P equal to 7. So because P plus Q plus R equal to 10. What about R equal to 3 if you put Q equal to 7 minus 9? So that is not valid. But what about R equal to 0? If you put R equal to 0, Q equal to 7. So these are the only 3 possibilities. Okay, P equal to 5, Q equal to 4, R equal to 1, so on. So the only for these 3 combinations of P, Q and R, your X is going to be, the power of X is going to be 7. So R equal to 3, 4, and all, Q is going to become negative. So only these 3 possibilities are there. So now what is the coefficient? Equal to, so for each combination we can write down the coefficient. What is the coefficient for this? R equal to 0 first eduthukom. 10 factorial by 3 factorial, 7 factorial, 0 factorial. So that is the coefficient of, when P equal to 3, Q equal to 7 and R equal to 0. Adutha combination, P equal to 7, 1, 2, adutha 5, 4, 1. Okay. Now calculate each one of them, add it up and see, you get the result. So you can calculate each one of them. The first coefficient comes to minus 15,360. Second coefficient comes to so I left out one thing here. So here the coefficient is 10 factorial by P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial into minus 2 to the power of Q. To the power of, here what is the value of Q in this case? 7. Here it is minus 2 to the power of . So here 5 and 4, so Q is 4. So then the second coefficient comes to 20,160. The third coefficient comes to minus 720. Okay, so this comes to minus 15,360, this comes to minus 720, and this comes to plus 20,160. So you can calculate and check it out. Okay. So the net value comes to
Sir,
yeah.
sir, 10 factorial by 7 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial.
Yeah.
அதோட வேல்யூ வந்து -720 சார்.
ஆமா. Into 2 minus 2 to the power of 1. Okay. So let's verify it. We will take some time. No problem. The first term is the minus sign. Okay, minus 2 to the power of 7 minus sign on that. So 10 factorial by 3 factorial 7 factorial into 2 to the power of 7. Yeah. So this goes, and what remains is 8 into 9 into 10. This is 6, right? 6.
Sir, correct, sir. Just a mistake, sir.
So 2 power 7 is 128. So 8 into 3 into 5 into 128. Okay. So what you should do is 8 5s are 40. So 4 3s are 12. So one 0 vechikalam namba. So 4 3s are 12. So basically this is 120. So 12 into 128. Okay. So you get minus 15,360. ஒன்பது 12 24 3 12 3 So this comes to minus 15,360. The second term is 720. This is what you had the doubt, right?
Sir, I have done a mistake, sir.
So it's okay, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So problems will be a little tough, right? But not that it are not doable. That's all. That's all.
யாராவது இதுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது ஷார்ட்கட் இருக்குமா? இருக்காது.
இதுக்கு ஷார்ட்கட் இதுக்கு வேற இல்ல.
ஏதாவது எமர்ஜ் ஆகலாம்.
கொஞ்சம் கால்குலேஷன் கொஞ்சம் டிடிஎஸ்ஸா இருக்குது.
ஓகே. இல்ல இப்ப இந்த 10 ஃபேக்டரியல் வெளிய எடுத்துட்டா 10 வெளிய எடுத்துட்டா மேபி கொஞ்சம் -2 பவர் 4 அந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒன்று வெளிய எடுத்து அதாவது கொஞ்சம் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்குமா? பட் அது இன்னும் காம்ப்ளிகேட் ஆயிடும்.
ஆமா, இன்னும் காம்ப்ளிகேட் ஆயிடும். ஏன்னா 10 ஃபேக்டரியல் இருக்கும்போது தான் நம்ம கட் பண்ண முடியும். 10 ஃபேக்டரியல் இல்லனா கீழ பெரிய பெரிய நம்பரா வந்துரும்.
அது நீங்க பிராக்டீஸ் பண்ணா கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா சீக்கிரமா.
ஆமா, கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டீஸ் பண்ணனும் இது.
ஓகே.
ஓகே. சோ டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு இப்போ இல்லையா? சோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச போட முடியணும் இப்போ. So we have discussed it in 2 classes now. The coefficient of x power 7 in the expansion of this, is equal to coefficient of x power -5 in another expansion. So this you should be able to do it now. So I am leaving it to you as your exercise. Okay. போடுவீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please do this, and I am also going to send some more problems, some more practice problems. So please do that. So கொஞ்சம் போட்டு practice பண்ணீங்கன்னா then it will become easy for you. Okay.
Thank you, Radha.